Hi guys! Today's activity is...
Hot air balloons!
Woo!
Today we're making hot air balloons, and this is a paper weaving craft. And so we're going to give you guys lots of colored paper and a paper with the hot air balloon shape on it. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is we are going to cut out our balloon shape. So I'm going to give this to you. You cut us out a nice balloon shape. You have no scissors. This is the balloon shape we're going for. And then as you can see, there's lines on the balloon. And those are going to be the lines we cut to weave the other colored paper through.
Ooh, how shiny.
So we're going to fold it in half, just like this. And then Mr. Noah is going to cut a small cut on each line, and then he's going to open it up so he can cut all the lines all the way through. So you're not cutting all the way to the edge. There's going to be a space on the edge. So don't cut all the way to the edge, otherwise you'll cut the balloon in half. Safety first with scissors. He's got his little cuts. So now you're going to put your scissors in those cuts and cut it all the way to the end of the line.
Okay.
But not to the end of the balloon.
Not to the end of the balloon.
Not to the end of the balloon. Okay, so now we have all of the cuts. So now we are going to cut colorful paper strips to weave through our balloon design. So you can just go ahead and cut some straight pieces of each color. They can vary in width. If you see on mine, some are skinnier than the others. That's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect.
It's not okay.
It is okay. It'll be beautiful.
Yeah!
Yeah!
You can also take something and color the hot air balloon itself.
Now we are going to weave the paper strips through our hot air balloon. It's an over-under pattern. Our basket of the balloon. So, Mr. Noah, you can write your name on there, make it as pretty as you want to, add a little design. And then we will need to cut some string, some yarn to attach it. So we will give you guys pieces of yarn. So now we have our 2 pieces of yarn, and we are just going to use our scissors to cut some little holes for our strings. So this part can be kind of tricky. Oh, very nice. Look at the design he added.
It's a line.
It's a line. We don't have hole punchers. We're going to make our own holes with scissors. So we're going to fold in a corner from the bottom of the balloon, just like that. And then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut a little bitty triangle right where we folded. So then when we take it out and unfold it, there's a magic hole.
Wow.
Did you learn something new?
That's really cool.
We
I did learn
did.
something.
So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to fold it. We're going to make 2 little cuts to make a triangle. Boom, boom, bang, bing, bong, boom. So now we have our holes on our balloon, but then we also have to do the same thing to our basket. So Mr. Noah, I'll let you go ahead and make some holes on top of the basket. And then we will use our pieces of string to attach it, because if you don't attach the basket, that would not be a very fun hot air balloon ride.
Yep.
Just be hanging onto the balloon.
Oh no.
Oh, one is bigger than the other, but that's okay. Because sometimes with crafts, it doesn't look the way we think it will, but it will still be beautiful.
It still looks
It will
good.
still be beautiful. So now we're going to take our string, we're going to loop it through our holes and tie it in a simple knot. So whatever knot is easiest for you to do, just like that, it will look like this. Okay,
Ooh,
yay! So you guys
surprise.
can add all of your color strips of paper and be creative with it and color on it. Hang this up on your wall. It looks like it's floating. Ooh!
So it'll start looking like this.
This is the middle stage, and this is the final product. Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. See you later! Bye!